Do you carry bear spray in the backcountry? I do once in a while. Stick around. I'm going to show you a tip on how not to have an accidental discharge and dose yourself with pepper spray. Well, a lot of bear sprays come with a handy little holster thing. Some of them, the straps that go around your belt, are pretty decent. Some of them absolutely suck and fall apart. Okay, so if you're someone who carries your bear spray on your belt, on your hip belt, on a belt, whatever the case may be, what you want to do, like I'm showing you here, is you take, let's say it's on your belt, just take the canister like this and turn it so that the nozzle is pointing towards the back. That way, if you happen to hit a branch, or if you're bushwhacking or in your brushy area, you're not gonna flip that safety off of there and accidentally trigger it and spray yourself, spray people behind you or in front of you. Well, of course, you know, depends on the people you're with, I suppose. But yeah, that's the easiest way to do that. Now, personally, I carry mine in my side pocket because I wear conversion pants that zip the legs off and turn into shorts because I just find it cumbersome on my belt. I don't like carrying it up on my strap because typically I have my peak design for carrying my camera, and then I usually have a hydration hose or what else do I have dangling over there? Usually a water bottle if I'm using my ULA pack, or I'll have my inReach up there. So usually it goes in my side pocket and not on my belt. But yeah, don't forget, turn that canister around so that the safety, the little clip that has the Ziploc tie on it, is pointing towards the front. That way, if you walk through something, it's not going to tear that off of there and then accidentally discharge that bear spray. There you have it. Hey, if you like this video, smash that like button or gently caress it, whichever way you want. Hit the notification bell. Well, subscribe first. Hit the notification bell because you're not going to want to miss any more of these. I don't do a lot of these, but once in a while I come up with a good idea, or I've seen a good idea somewhere I want to pass along. So there you have it. We'll catch you on the next one.